Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It is actually a little bit later in the day. It's like 12, about to be 1 p.m. So I was going to start this vlog a little bit earlier, like with my coffee and all that stuff, but I was just editing a YouTube video, so it was kind of like I wasn't really doing much, and I really wanted to get that video up by today. I try my best to post my YouTube videos around noon, so I was just trying to hurry and finish that up. But as you would have seen, I have come to the conclusion that I am going to partake in VLOGMAS this year. I am so nervous because I do really bad with pressure, which is not a good trait. I wish I was one of those people that are so good under pressure, but I'm not. So that's something that I'm trying to work on, and clearly I have to push myself out of my comfort zone and just do something a little bit more different and jump on the VLOGMAS bandwagon, because it is hard. I don't know how people do it all 25 days. I am going to be doing it for 12 days. And I'm going to try my best to post every single day. Just saying that scares me. But we're doing it. I'm putting it out into the universe. I am letting you guys know so you guys keep me accountable. But yeah, I'm going to be doing that. I'm also going to try my best to stay in the Christmas spirit, because not much happens in my life. And yeah, so right now I am going to be cleaning my bathroom. So as you guys saw in the last vlog, Pablo and I, we actually redid our whole entire shower. We installed new shower doors. He works in construction. He does glazing. He's a glazier. So he does glass and all of that stuff. And it looks super nice now. The door looks so nice. We even got new faucets and all that stuff. Boring stuff, but it's exciting if you're an adult. So we just got that done, and yeah, it looks, I'm just so happy with it. Yeah, I'm going to clean. As you can tell, there's just a lot of clutter. Like when we were doing the shower, it just got so messy and we just kind of threw things. I just kind of have to reorganize everything. As you can tell, we have no room for storage, so normally our storage is down there. Oh my god, it's so embarrassing. I don't even want to show this. I don't know, because this space right here is so small as well, so it's not like I can buy like cute basket or I don't know, something to just put our stuff in for now. We do want to continue updating it, like get a new mirror and get a new sink. And that's pretty much what's needed in here to make it a little bit better. But for now, we're just gotta work with what we have. I'm going to time lapse the video. I know that I personally like watching cleaning videos. They literally motivate me to just tackle the really tedious cleaning in the house. Okay guys, so I'm finally done cleaning this very messy bathroom, but it's so refreshing. I know it's not the best, but we're working with what we have. So I just put my daily skincare stuff right there, some lotion that I use every day, some bath soap like Bubbles, my Apple Watch, and then over here I just grabbed a new bag because the other one was absolutely torn. And I just put contact lenses and stuff like that. Shampoo, extra toothpaste, boring stuff. Let's ignore the trash. But there it is. So nice. And then here we just have some more everyday things, hair stuff, makeup wipes, toothpaste, deodorant, all that stuff. So yeah, this is it. I'm so proud. This is the dinner table. So I have to get this cleaned up because in that corner we're going to be putting the Christmas tree. It's just the only place in the living room that makes sense to put it. But that's not all. I also have our laundry bins right there because we have our little laundry thing in here. But I need a little reset, okay? So I'm gonna go to the gym first and then we'll come back and take care of this issue. I need a little excuse to get away from this, huh? Okay, so I see the mugs right here, but I don't see any of the Santa Claus mugs. These don't really look like Christmas mugs. You guys, I'm literally cracking up because I just got home from Target and look at what Pablo has on for the dogs.
That's fine. But just so you know, I'll be watching you.
What is this?
No, I'll be watching you.
It's so funny because I do it as well. Whenever we leave our dogs home alone, we put on TV for them. I normally put like Scooby-Doo on for them because Charlie likes to watch TV. But yeah, I finally got home. So, I mean, I didn't get anything too excited. What am I saying? I need food in my system. I don't know how to talk. So, I didn't get anything too exciting because Pablo wants to go and we're going to pick up some Christmas decor. And I'm so excited because they had so many cute things. Like, I actually did this to myself and I walked by, oh my gosh, and I walked by like the Christmas aisle and they had so much cute decor. I just couldn't. I was like, I need to leave because I'm gonna want to buy everything. I did end up picking up some Christmas mugs. That's pretty much all I picked up today because I really want one with my coffee, or maybe I'll have some hot chocolate tonight. So I picked up this cute little Santa one. He's so cute. He's like sleeping or happy. He looks happy. And then I also picked this one up. It says Merry and Bright. I was stuck between this one or one that says Meet Me Under the Mistletoe. But this one's still pretty cute, like, you know, festive, Christmassy. Oh, it's so cute. So I'm really excited for these. And then I, of course, passed by the little doggy aisle and they had some cute little Christmas cookies for my pups. So I got one of the snowman and I also got one of the reindeer. Is it a reindeer? It looks like a reindeer to me. I don't know. But they're so cute. So I'm going to give this to the pups. I'm just going to make dinner real quick because I'm starving. So I just finished folding most of the clothing, and then whatever I have right here is just because I have to hang it up, so I just didn't even fold it. I am running a bath right now. I'm just going to take a bath and then I'm gonna take a shower, and basically that'll conclude my night. I don't really have anything going on after this. I want to get to bed early today, that way I'm not so tired the following day. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.